Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this air cleaner by RIGOGLIOSO brand. So let's take a look inside the box. So right out of the box, you open it and you see the instructions. Then this is the air cleaner itself with the package on, so I'm going to remove it. So that's the main body of the unit, and the filter is in that section, and we just remove the top, and I'm going to show you how the filter looks. So remove the top, that's the filter. So you have to make sure to remove the packaging. There's a cable to connect, and then you put in filter here, and then you put this on the top, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward, and it's pretty easy to use. Make sure to read the manual and you'll be good to go. It's amazing how simple it is. Thank you for watching.